Hello and welcome to Joshatron 1205. Today's a very special video. We're going to be doing, if you can believe it, a challenge Josh. Now, I've been watching LA Beast recently. Why not? And basically, I saw him drink a bottle of Diet Coke. Well, he didn't actually manage it. Hopefully, I'll go one better. Without burping. Okay? Now, it's meant to be 2 litres, which is why I've got 2. I'm going to open them both at the same time, so they're equally decarbonised when I go to drink the second bit, if I managed it. Not really much more to say. Let's just do it. Open these up. See here, the little fizz. They're definitely fresh. Pop that one down there. There's that fizz. And I guess we'll start on this one. So drinking Diet Coke without burping. First attempt. Here we go. Now right away I want to burp. Straight away I can feel it trying to get out. I really should be doing this outside in case I'm sick. I managed to get nothing down then because it's sitting so heavy on my stomach and it's in my throat. It feels like I'm going to die. Oh. Well, as you can see, as you can just about see from that, we haven't managed it, and I feel like I'm going to be sick. They're still coming. These burps. They're still trying to eat their way out. Oh my god. Well, I'm going to be burping for the rest of the day. It's a big fail, a big for that challenge. I'm going to be taking a lot of what I see on channels like LA Beast, where Dude Where's My Challenge, and I'm going to be trying it myself. I don't know if Dude Where's My Challenge have done this one. I do remember watching drink something with Coke, but it's a very difficult challenge. If you want to make your own and give me a response, I don't know if you can still do that with the layout of the new YouTube, but you know, I'd like to see if anyone can do it. LA Beast, he ate 6 whole bananas without peeling them, and he couldn't do it. And I've done nothing so far on my challenge videos. So I guess we'll see you again another time with a better challenge, one that I can actually succeed in. Until then, friendos, that's the end of the video. See ya.